Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. So in this video, I want to show you how you can showcase data like this one. So this one has a country name, population, area, and population density. It doesn't have to be a population. It could be anything like orders that you receive from a different country or anything that kind of that data that include different countries. You want to showcase that on a map, so you could do that. In this video, I will show you how you can easily do that in Excel. So let's get started. So this is the data set that I want to showcase on the map. As you can see, there are a bunch of countries with their population, area, and then population density. So for whatever reason, if you have a lot more columns than this, and you have columns about odors and a bunch of other information that is not related to the area or the country that you want to show on the map, you can just ignore those. So for you can also like custom select columns that you want. So you can just do control and then select column A, and then if you want a column D, you don't want these two in there, you just do control and then D, so it'll just select these two columns and skip the column B and C. But for whatever reason you want to select a column from A, go from column A to column D, you can just do shift column A and then or like hold shift and then do column D, so it will select all the columns that are in between. So that's how you select multiple columns at the same time that you want to showcase on the map. Okay, so now to insert the map, you will just select the columns that you want, then just go to insert and then go to maps, and here you will just select filled. So you do that, and here you see this is the map that we just generated. So this is the map we just generated. As you can see, China and India has the most population, and then after that is the US and then Russia. And so you can compare that with the actual data itself. So US has like this much, and if you can look at China and India, they are definitely like they're pretty close to each other. So this is the dummy data, just FYI. This population does not reflect the actual population they have. This is just a dummy data set. So as you can see that the map from India and China are way darker than the rest of the world. You can also change colors. So this one is kind of blue. So if you want to change colors, you can just select this paintbrush, and it will show you a different kind of map. So as you can see, this one is a little darker, the darker background, and then a little lighter, and then this one is like a little gray background, and then dark blue, and then light blue. So you can also change colors. So you can go to colors and select some other color. So if you want to do if I want to do like some other color, you can do that. It also has like a monochromatic colors. So if I were to select green, or let's see. Oh yeah, you can select green. You can select like any different color that you want. It doesn't have to be blue. Blue is just the default color for the map. And yeah, so let's do that, and let me change the style as well. So I'll just make the style this gray. I think this one is much better. And for here, so for the plus sign, it kind of show you what you want to show. You want to show a chart title. Do you want to show that or not? You can say no, and it will just remove the chart title. You can also remove the legend, but I would recommend to keep the legend because it kind of helps convey the information that which what means what. And here you can also add like data labels in here, and it will so one person clicks on it, it will show the population of each country. So this is the population of each country. It can show that as well. For the chart, since it say chart title, I can just name it something else. So if I want to say that uh, I'll just call it population, uh, I would say across the globe, I would just call it that. Okay. So this is the map that we just generated. So the good thing about this is that you can just copy and paste this map. Like if you need to copy this map and paste it somewhere in the document, you could do that. You can just cut the map as well and paste it like in a Word document. That is possible as well. You can also export this map like if you want to export it somewhere, you can just do export, and it will give you like bunch of options on how you can export that. So in Excel, it is possible to showcase your data that is across, that is about whatever, that is about like orders that you receive from different countries, or the connections people have a different country, or you just want to see like your reach, like how um, you want to see that in the map instead of just reading through the list. You just want to see that on the map on like, hey, how many people are going to your website or doing something from different part of the world. You can definitely do that. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.